So in this basic class we're gonna make a circle or a dot pattern which is really basic. So let's get started. First you need to draw a circle or ellipse. Make sure you draw it with the Alt and Shift so it align properly. And then copy with Control D. First you need to press Alt as well. Then Control D, Control D. So you get a multiple copies of a circle or a dot. Then you can group it all, then press Alt. But before Alt we need an alignment, so you can align it in the center. And then duplicate with Alt and Control D. Choose the color, whatever you like. Then the same pattern, which is Control D for copy along with Alt. Control D, Control D, so you get the multiple duplicate copies of the circle on your canvas, and make sure you align them in the center so it doesn't get like a crooked or upside down, because alignments are very important when you're designing something. And sorry about that because my mouse is little bit faulty. Choose the color whatever you like. This is just I'm selecting the random colors. This is just really basic, because to learn something professionals you have to start with the basics first. So this design is, it's really basic, even if you are new to Adobe Illustrator you can easily do it. And just the last one, sorry about that again. Okay, select all with Control A, make sure you align them perfectly in the center. Now go to your layers and lock it. Now we need to make a background in black color, so for that you need a rectangle tool. You can also select it by just pressing M and just make it all over on your canvas. Okay, so you can choose the black color. Okay, now go to arrange and send it to back. See, we got the simple dot pattern or circle pattern design on black background. Okay, one more important thing, when you work professionally for clients, they demand multi-layered vectors. So make sure you have your layers properly selected, and also they must be arranged properly so you don't get confused while working professionally. This is just the practice, so in further tutorials we're gonna discuss this more thoroughly. So that's it, it's almost the end. Now you can change the colors of the circles, you can even change the color of your background if you like. Hopefully this tutorial is helpful for you. If you got any questions you can comment below. and stay connected, and let's learn together more.